Hi everyone, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, speak with the confidence, they're not a perfection. Yeah guys, so in this video we talk about like the way because of every people there are the said I haven't the perfection, I haven't the confidence, I haven't to fluency. So many people are there are the given the some other scenario. I'm also improving those kind of the stuff. I can see some other comment. So I'm said earlier guys, you have the confidence. So if you have the confidence, you can speak whatever it is. So I have the confidence in front of the speaking my camera, my so it is the I'm said. So it is a one kind of the confidence. I'm not expecting I'm speaking the fluency at the English. I know very well the English. I'm not said, but I'm trying to be a confidence. So that's important. I'm not the the perfection because of if I haven't the perfection, I'm not take any videos because of guys. The some of time I'm also even the struggling. So it is every beginner or the every people or even the good speaker also there are the struggling initially these kind of the steps. There are the overcoming the day by day or there are the speaking the communication skills the every year or the every month there are the improving the lot. So don't see the perfection. You have the confidence. The confidence is the key, guys. So you have the confidence. Yeah, you can speak the whatever it is. I think the confidence. What is the confidence means? It is a basically, in my opinion, if you if you something do or if you something the trying to happen you are expecting. So there is the key confidence because you have the confidence you will be do. For example, I have the confidence I am taking my mobile and open the camera, I am speaking in front of the camera and post on the YouTube. I have some confidence, so you build your confidence simply. Yeah, I'm not said here you can take your mobile, take on the camera and recorded yourself. I'm not said. So you will be build your confidence for I am speaking with myself. I am speaking in front of the mirror, or I am speaking with my friends English, or I am speaking with my colleagues, or I am speaking with my the friends or brothers or the family instead of the family. So that is also confidence. I'm not said even you have the confidence while speaking the English. I'm not said guys. If you have a confidence like whatever it is like guys. If you go to some supermarket, you have the confidence. You speaking with the strangers. So everywhere you should the confidence needed for I think. So whatever it is, it is a fine guys. But you build your confidence. You speak with this stranger, not the perfection. I am speaking the fluency. I don't made any mistake. It is not true guys. For example, if you see the some good speaker like the world number one speaker, even there are also made a mistake while speaking. It is a common. The mistake is a common, but how they will be handling, how they will be the continuous way. Because I think some people are there are made a mistake, even there are the continuing. There are not noted that, there are not repeated that. Because of I'm also doing that I initially. If I made a mistake anything, I will be the repeated that. Because of I know that is a wrong, but some people are there, they don't know, they might be understanding. So you don't repeat that if you made a mistake like while speaking. So if you realize that is a good, I made a mistake, so year after I don't do that like that way. You you basically do these kind of the stuff I think. So it is a helpful for your communication skills or boost your confidence. So every people there are the thinking, yeah, I have confidence and I haven't perfection. So you have the confidence that is enough while speaking. So I think this is the enough guys. So if you like or if you understand about these kind of the stuff or if you they relate to this video, so subscribe my channel and like and share. So those will be might be helpful for my boost my confidence even making so much of video for you. So if you want any video, so please check in the comment section. I will make that. and see you next video, guys.